basomu ya omwancho morigeri ya bwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV na nechinga kichinde tokumira na sembeo asingo kwarigania twemanya mangana Amayia asenchera ayobwenge bunabeire kagwateka omwancho morigeri Eritukorio gochingira ritukoria Mashujaa Day asenseto ya Kenya na nigo tugochiko gwatira nera Joshua Auta oyo kunyamanya asenchera yebimanyerero nera Abigail Nyanchama niga gochikwene kinga chibicha amo na mariogi awekire asenchera engikirano erietariane Dorcas Kemuma. Ensi ya Kenya ngagendrete gochengera aritukoria abanyankongo eribo igori manyekaine buna Mashujaa Day ase chinsemo au ne county au ime na yorogongo rwa Kenya na ibo ase county yeito ya Kisii imero bilionige ebekire bene ase moyege yo gendrete uko chakiria ase county ya Nyamira nigo bono omorobere yo gendrete ase egeti yesukuru yo boroso kya Nyamira ase omogavana we county yo ago chikora omorobero yo ogendete gokorekana asegekekeiga tiga tumirane no mosakyo ito job mangi oyo ikira sense meyo and atweresere narari ato aliganeti osetumai atumanye narari agendrete ase ense meyo job mangi
Biamono kurwa se studio nigo tonyora asemo kurwa se skuru yoboroso ya Nyamira asege eke no litukoli alero county Nyamira eko bagego chengera litukoli nali Mashujaa asitoko batogo chengera abantu babere bagwikirania ebintu au ase obogima abutokorokanga na Amashujaa mbantoki Amashujaa nabantu bali babere bagwikirania ebirenga asobogima anene mono abantu togo chengera litukoli alero n'abantu bali babete bakurwanirira ensi ya Kenya ikanyora obosibole yani asumono bekenya moleto kubarokanga freedom fighters ntubwate boyigwa abantu ababere bawikirania ebirenga au asobogima ntubwate abaminyoki ebyata ababere bakora ensi ya Kenya elieta ntubwate abanyagitali ntubwate aborokiwa ntubwate abantu babere bagakonya abantu anene mono ekerogi chinga ki cheme basokano anene mono enganeye yaberege koletera elietaligia enseito elietaligia asegege ntonko basabankelinga gendra ko tengera Ndizi TV asena abinkuba manyibuna manganara abegagwate kali tukoligi malia rero litukeli lya Mashujaa Day go takero mutakano mbaka omoelio elietalia nenkoro kwa job maangi bono tigangina nili bageri go chase studio mongi wete
Mbia mono baiga mo sakito oyo job mangi orura sembeo oyo rase county eri ya Nyamira asagendete gotu aliganeria ayo asenchira yobo ikirano kegima togosika motwe toirana ase county ya Kisii ase omonyego yo Mashujaa Day ogendete gokorekana ase egeti ikya iterio ase boigo orawo no morgava we county ya Kisii simbarati egati ya baraibande nigo bono omonyego yo obekire abantu amo gose abantu borogongo orwansi rwa Gusii asebono ogendete gokorekana segikekeiga aboigo nigo mugavana we county ya Kisii simbarati arachikwene kinga nko kwanirale abamenyi be county ya Kisii igoro ya Mashujaa amo na yande amange Asensemo ye county ya Kisii nigo moyo Mashujaa oenekiwa guchengerwa ase chinsemo au asebono esensemo ya Matieko inere sub county ase mocho gose county ya Kisii nigo moyo yo orawu no mo DCC wenseme yo Kitutu Central oyo oboigo kurukunganere Edwin Juma wawela aseboigo agendrete kwaligania gose gora omoyo yo Mashujaa edikwena kinga ngochengira bale abanyankongo bonsi ase Chinsa chonsi imeyorogongo rwa Gusii abari kibaito oba manganani gobono barase Chinsa mech au abwase bagandete kwenekia ogochingira kwerituko oria mashuja ase orogongo rwa Gusii amone Chinsa mochinde chitwetana ine tugosika motwe ase ngana yogochingira rituko ria mashuja nigo morai wense rituko ria rero ara ogochingira kwa mashuja ase county ya Kericho ase boigo abanyara kagochakia omoroberio universal health coverage ase nchira ya bene ase moyego yo okorekana ase geti kya Green Park imeye county yo nigo bono omoyo gose nige morai wense boigo kwanira amangana mange igoro ye universal health ase bona teba nigara chikoro nekinga ngobwatira nabare ego naba korie mirimo bonsi anana sense media health promoters edikwene kinga aba menyibe county gosaba menyibe nse ya Kenya nkonyora bare obochenu ase ebinyoro ime inyore buna nigo morai wense abegetese emeswada ene eyobochenu abugoro eyo ego chikoro egose yerengete ebizare yobochenu nanene ase entwe abakenya usaba na inchi elio kwene kinga nkonyora bare obo chenu uboiseine ase echinka chabo nase ebinyoro ime chinga kecho nige bono ayenekeria abantu bonsinga niga eserikali era chikubwatuka chibesa chishilingi chibilioni 3 echichira chiko kuba kana abakori emirimo ba health promoters ebuna enchere yemo yokubasira.
Proud that they are represented in large numbers today in this very important Mashujaa Day. The work of the promoters will include basic preventive and promotive health, health education, basic first aid for the treatment of minor injuries and ailments at household level, and referral for facility-based healthcare. Each community health promoter is allocated 100 homes within their neighborhoods, and this will happen countrywide. Considering the pivotal role played by community health in attainment of universal health coverage, the long-term financial viability and sustainability of community health is contingent on enhanced domestic resources for health. The national government is working closely with our county governments to strengthen the delivery of community health services through the payment of stipends for the 100,000 community health promoters. This will be done on a margin basis, 50% contributed by the national government and 50% contributed by the county governments. The national government has already allocated Kenya shillings 3 billion annually for payment of these stipends, and it is my belief that counties will match up this fund so that we can enable these great heroes of our time to help us on the
chingaki chomoyego yo bogo chingira mashujade nigo abakori emirimo obo chenu oba health promoters batianigwa asegeti ekyo kyarenge kya Green Park ya sensemo ya Kericho asebono bari irabuna nigo barachi gukora emirimo ase obwangmono ne serikali nabo igo kwene kinga nkuru bari obokoreri obuya guche ase abamenyi bonsi ase ebinyoro ime ekyaira nigo barachi kwene kinga ngo ikabari enyomba ase enyomba eliyokorwa obokoreri ibwabo.
Mheshimiwa Rais, sasa ni wakati wetu wahudumu wa afya nyumbani kutoa ahadi ya huduma kwa afya nyumbani. Nitawaomba nyinyi wote wahudumu wa afya nyumbani mrudie mambo haya nyuma yangu. Sisi wahudumu wa afya nyumbani tunaahidi kutumikia jamii zetu kwa mioyo thabiti, mikono wazi, ujuzi na kwa kujitolea. Lengo letu ni kuelimisha, kuwawezesha na kusaidia jamii zetu kukuza afya. kuzuia magonjwa na kuwaelekeza kwenye huduma za afya. Tunakubali jukumu hili tukufu na tuko tayari kutumikia jamii zote. Afya yetu, jukumu letu. Ndiyo. Asanteni sana.
Omurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigarire ire abunarachi kogendera kubwatirana n'abarai ase County Chinsa erikwene kinga ngosirana bale asobokoreri bwa magendero ase County anena senseme yo yobocheno kinga kecho nigo Ruto atebamna ekadi yobochenu eyo yaringe NHIF ogoikirabo nigateri gochia gotumeka ase bono achaka omoroberio omuya ase oyokoro kwa muna social Health Authority oyebono ogochia koira alibagari NHIF asogo konya abantu ase obogwenya kinga kecho nigo bono abwatuka chisimi ichekerero chiribu emia yemo na 10 echichira chigo konya abantu ose abakoli emirimo bobochenu abu health promoters erikwana kinga ngokora bare emirimo yabo buya.
The government has provided additionally 110,000 smartphones for use by the promoters and community health assistants. Many Kenyans incur catastrophic expenditure from out-of-pocket healthcare payments, while many more do not seek care at all when they fall ill because they simply cannot afford it. Over the last decade, several measures have been put in place to enhance the capacity of the National Hospital Insurance Fund to effectively deliver on its mandate. While these reforms and the initiatives therein have yielded significant progress, several gains and several gaps remain. Recent analysis show that, among others, the NHIF operates as a passive rather than a strategic purchaser of healthcare. It is plagued by inefficiency and governance challenges and is potentially, unless addressed, financially unsustainable. It is against this backdrop that the government proposes a paradigm shift in the provision of social health insurance in the new Social Health Insurance Act 2023 that provides for formation of a social health authority which will repeal the current National Hospital Insurance Fund Act.
Abalemini go babori wene serikali kwerikia ase serikali elio kwene kinga nkonyora bale obokonye obubuku bwato kwa ne serikali ayana mangana yomorai wense chinga kyarenge ase moyega omashuja ase county ya Kericho ase boigo atebrebuna nigo abantu bono babwenete kwerikia bali batererikia ase nseme yo oyoboremi elio kwene kinga nkonyora bale amoyo yebituma amone kemerige chai amona mayamange ayo ya serikali egenderete kubwato kuchia ase abalimi chinga kicho nigo boigate babna asadakari nige semerete ekwa rige sarige ya ase omwakoyo ase bono bara ase ntunde yega enke gose ase mbure nyenge nigo bara chiko gesa chigunia chibando chimilioni emerongene nainye ase rige sa ase mbura enyenge nabo igo ase entunda ya kabere gose ase embre ntambe ase bono bara chiko gesa chigunia emerongo 5 mo neyemo ase rige sa ritambe ase omwakoyo iga.
There is over 200,000 acres under cultivation, which is more than last year. We are looking forward to a bountiful 44 million bags from the long rain season and 61 million bags overall for both seasons, marking an impressive increase of over 40% in relation to last year. Fertilizer support for the short range crop is now available at National Cereals and Produce Board depots for regions that planned in this season including central Kenya, eastern and western parts of the country. I urge all unregistered farmers to use this opportunity to register so that they can benefit from the support of fertilizer for all.
Omokonyi bomorai wenseri gadiga shawa niganyora bagaria bene ryokubairaniria ngambu ya mono abamenyi be county ya Kericho ase okobachora okobabarai ase chikura chaita nigo baiko abatebna nigo baragenderere kubwatira namo okora amagenderero nanene kwene kinga abantu bonsi nkonyora abare amagenderero nigaya kwa nayo chingaki aikirana ase omoyego mashuja teganirijwe ase county ya
Say the 60th Mashujaa Day is one of the most important occasions in our history. We celebrate the day from Kericho County, one of the most active and colonial hotspots in the country, whose people were stripped of their right to land. We join the people of this county and other Kenyans in celebrating the gallant men and women who put their lives on the line to attain our freedom and restore our dignity. Your Excellency, we celebrate these men and women because they believed in the power of Africans in defining their destiny in socio-economic transformation. Niseme watu ya Kericho, hatutachoka, rais na mimi na timu yetu, kusema asanti kwa maombi yenu na vile mlituunga mkono tukapata nafasi ya uongozi. Watu ya Kericho, asanteni sana. Pia kabla nimwalike rais, pia nipongeze watu ya Kericho kwa sababu mlitupatia kiongozi chupavu, leader of the majority in the Senate, the Honorable Aaron Cheriot, ambaye anatusaidia pale na rais, na hata zile sheria rais ameidhinisha jana, yeye na viongozi wa Senate walichangia kiwango kikubwa. Kwa hivyo lazima tuseme asanti kwa huo kiongozi mlitupatia. Bila kuongea mengi, ningeuliza nyote msimame.
Mwancho murigereria aigana nkubiturira mangana maya asenjera yo wenge korinde ayone yanda mange no bago kunyanyora asenjera yo wenge chikoraga Chinsa ikomi chabana maragoba to basago sukagenda ko torigereria egetaseni kyandizi TV obwanso obwo Gusii erio obwemanye amange nabo tutara sensemo ye mitandao sensemo ya Facebook akusawa tonyora buna Ndizi TV News Digital nabo ika sensemo ya YouTube na Ndizi TV News erio obwemanye amange Editoriane Dorcas Kemuma na nigo twabwatana nere Joshua Auta oyo kunyamaya asenchera yebimanyererio nabo iga abigenyanchama okwene kiringa chibicha amo na mariogi agoikeire